So what the heck is a lead magnet and why do you need one? Let's talk about something you've probably heard before, but maybe not totally sure about: lead magnets. If you've ever thought, what exactly is a lead magnet? Do I need one? And isn't that just marketing trickery? You're not alone. So let's break it down. So what is a lead magnet? At its core, a lead magnet is a free, valuable offer designed to attract people and capture their contact information, usually just their email address. And you don't want to just capture anyone. You're looking for something that speaks specifically to your perfect potential client. It's like giving someone a free taste of your awesomeness, just enough value to make them want more. Think of it like this. You're at a farmer's market and a vendor hands you a free sample of the most delicious vegan brownie you've ever had. Are you walking away empty-handed? I don't know about you, but I'm buying the whole tray. A lead magnet does the same thing, except for instead of brownies, you're offering knowledge, tools, or resources that will make your audience go, wow, I need this. I want to work with this person. They get me and what I'm going through. So why you need one, especially when people are busy. Let's be real, your audience is as overwhelmed as you are. Their inbox, a digital war zone, their attention span held hostage by social media, the news, and probably at least one unfinished ADHD hyperfixation project. Don't we all have those? A good lead magnet cuts through that noise, though. It gives your audience a way to say yes, no risk, low effort, and a great way to connect with you. Without it, you're just another thing that they're scrolling past and forgetting, even if they didn't want to forget. So what makes a lead magnet actually work? This is important because not all lead magnets are created equal. Some, chef's kiss. Others, gathering dust in a Google Drive folder somewhere. But here's what makes a great lead magnet. Number one, and the most important, highly valuable content. It solves a problem or answers a burning question, not just fluff, actual value. Number two, simple, easy to consume content. 3, actionable. People can use it right away. That's important. 4, relevant. It speaks directly to your audience's pain points. 5, it's not just a boring PDF. Make it exciting, make it pretty, make it where people are excited to hear from you again. So what are some good lead magnet ideas? The best lead magnets fit your brand and audience, but here are a few great options that you can think about how you might be able to customize it for your audience and brand. Checklists or workbooks. Perfect for step-by-step guidance. People love checklists and they're actually really easy to create. Templates or swipe copy. Save your audience time and effort by giving them something that just allows them to do it right away. Mini courses or email series. This delivers value in small, digestible pieces and requires them to participate on a multiple day path. Mini courses or email series. This delivers value in small, digestible pieces. Exclusive webinars. Teach in real time and build deeper trust. Free trials or samples. Let them experience your value before committing. Pro tip. If your lead magnet doesn't feel like something you would personally download, it's not the right one. Lead magnets are a win-win strategy. A lot of people worry that lead magnets will feel salesy or manipulative, but done right, they're not about tricking people. They're about building trust. For your audience, it's an easy way to get value and connect with your brand. For you, it's an opportunity to nurture that relationship and guide them towards your paid offers in a way that feels good for both of you. So the final thought here, lead magnets, when done right, are not sleazy. They're strategic. There's nothing scammy about giving first and offering real value before you ever ask for anything in return. So let's get down to it. What lead magnet are you going to create to help your audience today? Drop your ideas in the comments and then let me know if you have any questions.